Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MrKRABS token. Now the MrKRABS token is having their pre-sale on their own webpage. It's an ICO, an initial coin offering. Some of these tokens can be a little sketchy that do their pre-sales on their own webpage. So in this video we're going to be going over the information on the MrKRABS token, but then we're also going to be looking for audits, KYCs, team doxing, any sort of red flags or potential scam risks that you should be worried about. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right here on the screen. So I saw this token originally on CoinSniper, and their Twitter is at MrKRABS Solana. It says go Krabby or go home, and then it has the ticker symbol KRBS, and then it has a link to their Telegram, which is at KRABSSOL_group, and then it has a link to their webpage where they're having their pre-sale, MrKRABS.io. So they just joined Twitter in January 2023. They have 6,280 followers and 28 tweets so far. So if you scroll through their tweets, first of all, in their pinned tweets here, it says, our KRBS presale is live. This is just the beginning. Don't miss your chance to join the crew and plunder the crypto treasures before anyone else. And it says this is a Solana token. A lot of these Solana meme tokens are very popular these days. And then if we scroll through their tweets, we can see there's a link to CoinSniper there for one of their tweets there that's going to have some of the basically tokenomics information. You can find that on CoinSniper, and a lot of memes on their tweets, as you would expect. And their Telegram here has 568 members. 31 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion with other people about this project, to learn more from them, ask questions, things like that. So they do giveaways on their Twitter as well. Just scrolling through, I see lots of giveaways. I do see announced here that it says they're going to be listing in the spot trading zone soon on Toobit. TOOBIT. So that's kind of like a tier, 3 or 4 central exchange. It's not super big or anything like that. And yeah, just scrolling through their tweets, I don't see anything about audits. It does say here we are being listed on Latakin. That's another place. So Toobit, Latakin, they have some pre-sale info. But just scrolling through, I don't see anything about an audit. So those look like 2 central exchange listings planned so far. I don't see any others, and that is it. So just went through all their tweets. No audit, no KYC yet. Then on CoinSniper, it says this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. I believe it's going to be cross-chain because they do have Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain links on their webpage. It says their pre-sale started April 5th, 20 hours UTC time, and goes until May 2nd, 20 hours UTC time. Has a link to the pre-sale on CoinSniper, Telegram, Twitter, webpage, BSC contract address, but no KYC, no audit. And it says, did you ever imagine yourself where you always wanted to be, missed a lot of the opportunities? Maybe this is your big chance with MrKRABS. Stage 1 is the cheapest, and that's how these pre-sales go, is they start out very cheap and they slowly go up in price. And how the tokens are allocated, it says 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 10% staking rewards, 30% exchange liquidity, 10% marketing and development. On their webpage, they have tokenomics, roadmap, how to buy, airdrop button. They have a buy now button. So if you click the buy now button, it'll take you over to a presale staking.mrkrabs.io. It says they're in stage 1. And it says 9 days, 21 hours, and there's a countdown until the next price increase. You can buy this token with BNB, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and there is an audit report. So I just found it. If you go to the pre-sale link there, they do have an audit report. It says there's going to be 10 stages, and this is only stage 1. So this pre-sale might go for a very long time here. They do have a full white paper as well. So, yeah, you connect your wallet, all that type of stuff here. So it looks like they've sold 270.7 million tokens so far. So they're doing okay so far here. So they have an audit by solid proof. And they have a couple issues. I'm going to put that down here so you guys can easily see what I'm talking about. So it says 1 informational issue, 2 optimizational issues. It says ownership is not renounced. A big red flag there on that one. So that could be a problem. And then it goes over informational issues. Unused return values is one of them. State variables that could be declared constant. Public function that could be declared external. So there's 3 warnings here. And then there's the big warning. The big red flag here is ownership is not renounced. Contract can be manipulated by other functions. So just totally be aware of that. But I still don't see a KYC either. So there's an audit, but there's warnings in the audits. And there is a white paper you could review. And basically their roadmap, this is going to tell us what the utility is. On the roadmap, it says launch of the token on Ethereum and BNB, KRBS presale, and then building the community, white paper release. Then they're going to have cross-chain to Solana, and then staking. Then they're going to be doing marketing, and then listings. They say Coinbase and Binance, but obviously that's high hopes. And then coin quests, complete tasks, earn tokens, hold the helm, it says. So, you know, little to no utility, basically, on this token. It's very much just a meme token. It says total supply, 20 billion tokens. And we already went over allocation. So yeah, it's going to be featured in 2-bit Latican, it says. It's got how to buy on the page. But just totally be aware, team is not doxed, no KYC, and there's warnings in the audit, and ownership is not renounced. So thoroughly investigate this token. I'm not saying it's a scam. I'm not saying it's good. I'm saying there is definitely high risk with this token. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.